Hi, welcome to Philhome.com. Today we're in Tagaytay Highlands and we're going to check out the Horizon condominium here, and we're going to go and check out this 4-bedroom condominium unit. So let's go check it out. Okay, so we come in the front door. If you look down in the description, you'll be able to find all the information about this, but this unit is roughly 150 square meters. It's in Tagaytay Highlands, which is the property of Tagaytay Highlands is 1,290 square meters. 1,290 hectares in the 3 provinces. So this is a big exclusive village. And as you can see your view from your balcony, you can see the lake in the distance here. And I'll just pan over this way to show you how big the balcony is. So very nice breeze always coming in here from the lake. So we can get a shot here of the living room. See how this is all set up? And you have TV area here. And that whole wall over there is glass. You can see me there. See, hello. And then it's got granite countertops here. And come into the kitchen area here. You can see this is the maid's room, storage, and then there's a bathroom in here with a granite countertop, and you have the shower here. Let me just come over and move over here so I can pan over there for you. See that? This condo is listed at a very good rate. It's got the built-in slider doors. Come around here. And a person could go buy themselves a golf membership also to play on the golf courses if you like. Tagaytay Highlands golf course, which is really nice. And also Midlands is really nice. And they have a lucky 9. So the first room here we'll go into, you can see, got a desk area. Nice window with the view of the lake and jungly area out there. I'll come over here and pan around so you can get an idea. Built-in closets, pretty high ceilings for a condo unit. The doors are really nice and solid. Then you have another room here to the right. See that? Same view as the room over there. Little desk over here, nice. Then we'll come around so I can just pan the room. Got wood parquet floors. So let's look at this room here like this. And unfortunately, there's a bathroom in there, but unfortunately the door is locked, so I can't go in there and show you, but I'm sure it looks similar to the other locked bathroom. But we'll look at another bathroom over here so you can get an idea. So when you come around the corner here, you have a little sink area here. As you can see, hello. And then over here, you have a CR with just toilet and shower. So the sink that we just saw is for this bathroom. So they're doing saving space. And then you got the washer and dryer hook up here. Looks like emergency exit right there. And see here you got wood parquet floor in this room. You got a big glass window over here that looks down into the parking lot area, as you can see. So I'll spin around on this room here. So there you go, built-in closets. So let's go back in here. Now, if you want to see what the condo building looks like, you could go to Philhome.com and find the link below down in the description also, which will show you other pictures of the outside. This is on the first floor, so pretty nice. You don't have to go in the elevator all the way up. or anything like that. So I hope you enjoyed this video by Philhome.com. Like I said, go down in the description. We'll list everything that it comes with. It comes with 2 parking spaces too. So we'll list everything in the description, or you can go follow the links there, the one to Philhome.com to this ad, and you can contact us there. Or you can go to Philhome Facebook and you can contact us with your personal Facebook. I love the jungle here. So you can get information there also. So let us know what you think, and if you like this property, we'd be happy to show it to you. Thanks for watching Philhome.com, and have a nice day.